Hello everyone, and welcome to the review of the Blitzwolf BS3 Sport selfie stick. And this is more than a selfie stick, and not only for taking selfies, it's actually a multiple purpose tool. I'm going to say it's a tool because you are going to see why. So in the box we get two smaller boxes, and one is stuck in there, and there you go. So in this stock box we get a manual, and look at that, a micro USB cable for a selfie stick, because this also has a remote, and we get also this adapter. Alright, so the selfie stick looks like this, and this is designed not only for mobile phones but also for action cameras. It comes default with this support here that can adapt a smartphone, and it's very nice as you can also rotate this and use it for landscape or portrait modes, but you can also take this off and replace it with this one, so you have a normal screw mount and you can add your action camera with it. And it also comes with a remote, and that's why you get the USB cable to charge the remote battery, as it has a rechargeable battery. And it's also a tripod and an extendable monopod, so really nice. And you can take the remote off, and this one, and you get this Bluetooth remote which seems to have battery, so it should work. And I've got this not for my mobile phone, but actually to replace the GoPro Shorty, which works in similar way, but this is very small. It's okay, it's not very flimsy or something like that, but it's very small, so in case you want to use this as a tripod and capture something, most of the time this is too short, that's why it's called Shorty, and you are going to have something that it's going to be in the camera's view, and you always would wish to have this a bit taller. And that's why I got this, because this one, when it's fully extended, it's much more longer than the Shorty, and you also have a bit more stable tripod as it's wider, and should take some really nice photos or videos with it. We'll see about the stability, because this is taller, but with the wider feet should be better. Let's also do a quick test for the remote. So when you power this on, you have to hold the power button for about 3 seconds, and this should start blinking. Yes, and now it's in pairing mode. And now I'm going to open Bluetooth settings on my phone. I'm going to go into more settings, and somewhere here I should see a new device. There you go, BS3 Sport. So I'm going to select that. Alright, I'm going to click on pair or touch, because it's not a click, and it's now connected. So if I go to camera settings or camera app, now if I press the shutter button, it takes a picture. If I choose video mode, when I use this, it starts recording. I press it again, it stops recording. Sadly, because this is a universal remote, a shutter button only, you don't have any kind of other working modes, such as switching the camera from photo to video or reversed. It's just a shutter button, and this works in conjunction with enabling taking photos with the volume buttons here. So in case this doesn't work with your phone, you need to check the camera settings and to enable volume trigger option, you need to enable that. Because I will be using this with my GoPro, it's also nice in regards with the Shorty that I can actually fix the GoPro remote, because this will not work on GoPros, and I have enough space here with a shorter Velcro strap to put this on, while on the Shorty you will not be able to properly use it, because you don't have enough space, so you lose the option to unfold the tripod here, and the handle will be too small to keep this in your hand and also operate it. And this has this big advantage, as you still have the tripod and you can also put the remote here. To install the GoPro, it's very easy. You just have one screw here to release, and you are going to pull it out, and you are going to remove the phone support. And now I'm going to install this adapter that it's supplied with only the sport version of this, because there is another BS3 model with no sport on it, and that one only comes with this and doesn't have the action camera adapter here. And now you are going to replace the screw, put it back, and with this installed you are going to use a tripod mount or maybe another camera or what else you need to use with. And that's simple as that. I can now put the GoPro here, and it's now installed. And I have now two pivots. I have one here and another one here. Pretty nice, because you can adjust this like you need it to be adjusted. And with the remote you get a very nice combo here. Of course, you can also rotate this like that. If you do not use this for a selfie, maybe use it as a filming handle like I use it, like a video handle, and this is much better. And I have plenty of space to keep this steady, and I can control the camera quickly from here. Really nice. Or I can make this as a tripod right away, and the camera will now be taller and can film something over grass or over a curb, because it's now not so low as it was with the shorty here. So that was it for now. I hope that you have enjoyed this video, and you might find this very helpful if you are using GoPros and also mobile phones in your videos. Until my next review, see you and bye bye.